Hi everyone, Victoria here from Social Media Insights. I'm coming today to talk to you about a way to find content for your social media. And one place that some people forget to look at is Pinterest. Pinterest is a place that people go to have a look at lots and lots of things that they can either make or they can put together or just get inspiration. So you'll see here, this is my feed. I've got inspiration on houseplants and yoga and all sorts of different things. But you can find content on here very, very easily. So let's go ahead and have a look in Pinterest and have a look into the search. And let's just find, say, coffee. So you might have coffee shop. Here you'll find so many different ideas on coffee. So you can type in anything up here, and it's a really great place to look for quotes, for humor, because you're remembering that you're wanting to use your social media feed with 20% education, 20% inspiration, 20% entertainment, and 20% selling. Okay, so this is a really great way to find those different parts of your social media. Okay, so if you haven't used Pinterest before, really, really easy to do. Start making some boards. You can make boards that are secret, so only you can see them, or you can make boards that are public. If you have a product, you can actually put your product on the boards as well and pop your link in. If you are sharing something from Pinterest, please remember to share the source that it's come from, unless you made the actual post and you've made your actual product. Okay, if you've got any questions, just pop it in the comments up underneath, and I will post another marketing video next Monday. See ya.